Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.
Awareness, as embarrassing as it may be, is key.
Carmen Santos is the Vice President of Finance and Administration at the Guam Community College. She, along with dozens of others, attended this week's proclamation and resolution presentation designating April as Child Abuse Prevention and Sexual Assault Awareness Month.
To pretend that these crimes do not exist does even more disservice to the victims. We need to make sexual assault and child abuse go socially unacceptable, that no one dares to commit these crimes.
In 2016, the Guam Child Protective Services reported 3,336 cases of maltreatment. That's physical, sexual, and emotional abuse, as well as cases of neglect. In 2015, the Healing Hearts Crisis Center reported 137 sexual assault cases. A breakdown of that figure shows over 50% of the perpetrators were family members, and more than half were Chamorro. Department of Public Health Director James Gillen.
We've got to find a way to help change the way our people are bringing up our children. Just have the numbers there. Still, most of the cases are our own Chamorro people.
While evidence shows it's a community problem, Commander of the Joint Region Marianas Rear Admiral Shoshana Chatfield admits there's a crisis among the ranks too.
Toxic behaviors like these have no place in our military. And we also need to go beyond the very basic behavior of treating each other with respect, dignity. That's the minimum. That's where we ought to approach each other. But we also need to work hard to make each other stronger.
But there's strength in numbers, as Gillen says there are so many who are committed to stopping the abuse.
There are people here who care. There are people here who get up every day, even though they know what they're going to see and they know what they're going to deal with. And they do it because it's for the kids, it's for the children.
One such hero is clinical psychologist Dr. Juan Rapadas, who received the Visionary Voice Award for 2017. In his speech, he reflected on the lyrics of the Guam national anthem.
In the end, it says, Zulus Protehi Islan Guam. I wanted to add, Zulus Protehi, our babies and our women and all our assault victims, men and women. So we need to do that. We need to keep doing it. And if you do it every day, then one day I will be out of a job.
Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.